Ich heiße Azhar Sherkheli. Mein Name ist Azhar Sherkheli und ich habe meine Promotion gemacht auf Deutschland und meine besondere Fachspiel ist das Wissenschaft, die Genenwerk und auch wie wir können das Temperatur sensen. Und über das, ich muss sagen, das ist nicht meine Muttersprache und auch am meisten Leute in Pakistan verstehen das, was ich sage ist. Und das Sprache ist ganz verschieden. Auch nicht so leicht für Menschen zu verstehen. Deshalb ich gehe nach das Englisch. Meisten people verstehen das Englisch. So I speak a little bit in English and leave this German language out because most of the people really can't understand what I say. Even when I say ich heiße Azhar Sherkheli, my name is Azhar Sherkheli, so people can't understand it. So it's better that I just use English or Urdu so that people can easily follow me. And with this, I simply say that when I speak these two languages, which are the European languages, have got nothing to do with Pakistan, particularly the German language has got nothing to do with Pakistan, but this is not true. Pakistan has got a wonderful personality who actually dreamed Pakistan. That is Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Everyone knows his name, and but people don't know it that he lived in Germany and he's got his PhD in Germany, and he was really a wonderful scholar, a speaker of German language. And we adopted certain things from Europe which are not that much useful to our culture, but we left out those things. But say, for example, even if we know that Iqbal did his PhD in Germany, and in Germany there is a city and a street named after him, that Iqbal Street. But what we forgot to learn from Germany is that Germany is known as a land of ideas. So Iqbal went there, he learned to create ideas. And he gave them ideas. And he was never impressed with their ideas. He always generated his own ideas. And I think that when we have such a wonderful background in context of our nation, that our nationhood came into being after this great philosopher, we should have been much more inclined towards understanding, towards learning philosophies. If not from Germany, from our own ancient philosophers, we could have developed much better philosophies if we would have preferred, if we would have gone to that side. And I think that people of Pakistan, they can speak any language, they can master any language, they can master any philosophy, and with that they can really groom and shine not only in Pakistan but anywhere where they go. They can get commanding position. So with this I say thank you very much.